Sabi ko nga kay Mayor kanina, Balay Silangan is law enforcement with a heart. Ano talaga yung Balay Silangan? Balay Silangan is part of our barangay drug clearing program. No? It is an intervention measure for yung mga nagbebenta ng droga na maliit-liitan lang na pwede natin pang isalba. Pwede nating bigyan ng second chance. Second chance. Kaya Balay Silangan is law enforcement with a heart. Kasi sa totoo lang may pagpasok ko dito sa Giwan, vibrant eh. Positive yung aura, no? Tapos nung sa gabi, ewan ko kung sa weather ba, pero malamig na supposed to be malapit sa, kasi I'm from Cebu. And there are a lot of coastal areas in Cebu. Pero pag gabi, hindi ganun, medyo mainit pa rin. Pero dito malamig yung hangin, kaya napansin ko maganda talaga yung lugar. At ang pinakamaganda pa, doon kami sa Hotel Mayor na nakita namin yung 360 view ng sa umaga. So nakita namin talaga gaano kaganda yung lugar nyo. Now, a beautiful town should be run by good people, no? Kaya kung may droga, yun ang sisira sa lugar. Balay Silangan is part and parcel of our effort in order to rid drugs from our society. Kaya, at sa kasabi nila Mayor, a good community should yung acronym na RAD. A good community daw, Mayor, should have RAD. It should be resilient. It should be aware. No, may awareness siya, and it should be dynamic. No. Sabi nga ni Mayor, Giwan is composed of a resilient community. No. And aware tayo na may droga, kaya dynamic. Isa sa dynamic na ginawa natin, itong Balay Silangan. No? So, again, congratulations sa Municipality of Giwan, headed by our good mayor, for this remarkable endeavor. Pang-apat pa lang sa Eastern Samar. Pero hindi yun ang speech ko, Mayor. Ito yung speech ko, basahin ko. Today marks a meaningful step forward as we formalize our shared commitment through the signing of this Memorandum of Agreement and Memorandum of Understanding. This is more than a ceremonial act. It is a united stand for hope, recovery, and transformation. Balay Silangan stands as a symbol of second chances. It reflects our belief that those who have surrendered to the call for change deserve guidance, support, and the opportunity to rebuild their lives with dignity. Through this partnership, we strengthen our programs in reformation, reintegration, and community support. To our future Balay Silangan enrollees, this is your moment. The government, together with our partners, is here to walk with you on your journey toward a better future. Let us continue working together with compassion, accountability, and resolve to build safer, healthier communities. Damo na salamat at mabuhay tayong lahat.